In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a keychain in Tinkercad. Now we're going to make a very basic one over here, so this tutorial is going to be suitable for complete beginners. We're going to start off by creating the keychain base. So for the base over here under basic shapes, we're going to use this one over here, which is called box. It's really just a cube, so you can just click it and then place it wherever you want. And you can start by basically forming your base of your keychain. So I'm going to drag this down to make it a bit of course like this, so it's going to be like flatter, and I'm going to drag it out a bit and like that as well, and we're going to create quite a big keychain over here. So let's say this is going to be the base of our keychain. As you can see, it's about this thick. It's going to be fine for me. And then over here you can change the radius as well, and it's going to make it like, of course, smoother around the edges and stuff like that. You can change it if you wanna, completely up to you. Then you have the steps if you want to change these as well. You have the length over here too, and stuff like width and height and stuff like that. Now you can also change the color. I'm gonna make this light blue, and I'm gonna click on over here on our, of course, work plane to actually get back in here. Now this looks solid to me. And the second thing you have to do here is to actually make that hole where you actually put kind of your hook through it, okay? So that's going to be an important step. What you do to do this, it's very simple. You want to click on the cylinder over here and then click anywhere here. And you want to kind of position your cylinder where you want your kind of hook or the hole for the hook to be. So we can position it over here in the middle, or of course top left, bottom left, whatever you want here, maybe even here. So you can just place it, and then I would hold down my shift key to actually resize it. So hold down the shift key and then click on the edge and then drag inwards, so it's gonna make this kind of hole smaller. Now when you've done this, there we go, you can just of course position it however you want. I'm gonna make this hole about this big, and it's going to be like that, okay? Of course you can stretch it out if you don't want it to be a perfect circle. That's again gonna be completely up to you. Then click on it and just slide it down a bit by clicking on this kind of, as you can see, the arrow. So you want to basically put it through this. And then what you want to do is highlight both of these, so then click and drag over them, and then click on this button to basically make a union group. And as you can see, there we go, we now have the hole for our keychain. And now next we're going to put on a name. Of course, you can put on here whatever you want. You can customize it however you want. You can add things, stuff like that. I'm just going to put on a simple name. You could use these letters to actually create a name with them, or you could just go here and select basic shapes and use the text tool. Now if you click on text tool, select it over here, you can of course change the text. I'm just going to type in name over here, and I'm going to change the font to something like, for example, serif over here, or we could do sans or whatever. Now here you can change the height as well, and of course bevel and segments. I'm going to do this manually right now. This is much too tall, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag this down, and there we go. That's going to be about perfect. So you can of course change the color of this as well. I'm going to make it black, and there we go. We already have our keychain. So you could finish off here, or of course you could add something else as well. Or what you could do is basically make it like a hole. So it doesn't have to be a pop out, because right now, as you can see, the name is going to stick out. You can also click on it and you can basically kind of put it through and make it a hole. So I'm going to click on hole over here, and I'm going to move it down a bit like this. And if I now go and actually union this, so highlight over this and click on the union group, it's going to make a hole in here, and it's going to be like that, okay, which is also quite cool. You could also make a bigger hole. So if I ungroup this, click on the name over here, which is in here, you could also make it a bit bigger like this. So of course extend it up, and then when it's extended, when the hole is extended, you want to move it further in like this. As you can see, it's going through now, and if I now basically group this together like this, it's going to make an actual hole into my keychain, okay? Just make sure whenever you're done, you select everything and group it. So of course, whenever you are 3D printing, it's going to print as a group, okay? It's just easier to kind of group this and export that way for printing. So that's the basic way to make a keychain in Tinkercad. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.